So loops are important because they can repeat a sequence of instructions until some value changes. So it can really save you a lot of work. Um, so we'll go over the while loop, the for loop, and the do loop. And the first one, so the while loop, um, it will execute as long as the specified condition is true. So while condition and then the code block to be executed. So for this one, while I is less than 10, then it will output this, and then it increases I by 1 each time. So if we run this, then you see the number starts at 0 and then goes up to 9, and then it doesn't run again because once it equals 10, then it stops running. So for the do while loop, this loop is interesting because it always executes at least once. So even if the condition is false, then it will still execute before it's tested. So it's useful if you're like prompting a user to get their information or something. So let's see. Okay, so this goes through a block of code as long as I is less than 5. So it starts at 0, goes up to 4. And then the last one is the for loop. So this one is a good format because it's very straightforward. It just has the expression, and then it has like how it's evaluated and then how it's modified. So it's initialized a counter to have I equals 0, and then as long as I is less than the length of this array, then I will increase by 1. So this saves you work. Instead of having to type out each of these, then it can just output them based on their order in the array.